Hi guys, my name is Stephanie and you're highly welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're highly welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to my channel. And please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do it by clicking on the subscribe button to join this family and also like this video as well. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys through the process of making my 48 wooden thread holder, and then how I actually managed to adjust it, and then how I actually arrange it just the same way you see like this. So keep watching. So I actually wanted to make the thread holder, and then I gave a carpenter to help me to do it, to actually help me to fix it. So I just went there that day to check how the work was going, the progress of the work, and this was what I saw that day. So he actually tried the thread to see whether it's actually fitting, and it actually fitting, but the mistake I made was that I did not bring a smaller thread to actually try on it. But I specifically mentioned to him that I actually wanted the spool holders to be really tiny so that I'll be able to fit in the smaller ones. But he tried this one and it was okay. So he was just trying to fix it and then just join everything together. So after confirming to him that everything was okay, the issue is that if I was there when he was making these spool holders, I'll actually tell him to make it a bit tinier. I even told him before to make it to be a bit tinier, but he actually ended up doing this, and then there was nothing I could do. And since the other thread actually fits it was time for him to actually join it, and then he joined the whole thing together. So guys, after he actually finished joining everything, I brought it home and then decided to try it on the wall to see, and it was okay. So the bigger threads actually fitting, but the smaller ones did not fit in. So I had to look for a way to make the other steps to be tiny in order to fix the other smaller threads on it. So I actually used a sandpaper to actually do the whole thing, and then I later on used a knife because it was much more faster. So I actually used a knife. As you can see here, you see that I used first, second and third and fourth step. I had to make it to be a bit tiny. As you can see, it's actually quite different from the last two steps. As you can see, the last two steps are quite big, so I had to do first, second, third and fourth step to actually be able to fix the whole thread, the smaller ones. So the bigger ones can actually fit in the other steps as well, but the tinier ones cannot fit in the bigger ones. So I made it to be just two steps, and then the rest are big, hence any other type of thread can actually fit in the tiny ones. So now it's actually time for me to arrange the thread on the thread holder, and I've been storing my thread in a bag or a leather bag, so it's actually tangle most of the times. It tangle a lot, so this will actually help the threads not to like waste or to tangle. So guys, you actually see what I'm talking about. This one cannot fit in, these last two ones is big, and then the ones that I've adjusted can actually sit perfectly well. It can actually enter anywhere at all. So I'll be arranging it like this. These ones that are a bit wide, I'll put it down. You see that it actually fits in the last two ones, and it's actually okay. So I will just be arranging it like that. I'll arrange the tinier ones up, and then the ones that are wider down. So I actually made a live stream when I started adjusting the thread holder. I made a live stream, so I'll link it in my description box if you want to actually check it out. And then I did not complete it on the live stream. Actually, I completed it after I was done with the live stream. I actually started the first step. I could not even complete it, and then second, third and fourth I did it without filming it. So this is actually how it looks like when I was actually done arranging. So I still have some spaces left because I don't have enough thread that can actually go around, but this is actually how it looks like. So at least now I won't have scattered thread or my thread just tangling in a bag or in a leather again, and I so love it. I'm so loving it. And the next thing to do is just to hang it on a wall so that it will stay there, to stay in place. And what I did was that I used a nail. I actually used a nail to put on the wall so that I'll be able to like hang the thread rack on the wall. So you see how it looks like. It's just one nail at the upper side. I'll just place it in the middle of the thread holder like that so that it will actually hook and stay in place. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're still here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also watch other content on my YouTube channel as well. Thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.